How to delete apps that cannot be deleted. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete apps that cannot be deleted. Now the apps that cannot be deleted are basically called system apps, and the phone itself and the company that you're using doesn't really recommend you delete system apps if you don't really know what you're doing, because sometimes it could break your device, cause some software issues and so on. But regardless, if you'd like to uninstall the apps that cannot be uninstalled, first of all open up settings on your phone and then just go to the option known as apps. Once you go to apps, here you can see all this, but let's say there is a certain app which is a system app, so you can tap the three dots option and select system app, or you can go to Samsung app settings, and these are all the system apps that comes with my Samsung phone. So let's say I would like to remove Galaxy themes option. So if I select that, here you can see there is no uninstall button. In that case, there will not be uninstall button for a system app. But what you can instead do is, if you cannot uninstall it, you can simply choose to disable it only. So when you tap the disable option, this particular app will not be shown on your home screen and they will get successfully removed from your device. Now they can also permanently be removed if you root your device and so on, but I wouldn't really recommend that. You can just disable them if you don't really want to have them on your phone. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.